Good morning, guys. Welcome to Miranda Detailing. In today's episode, we have two vehicles in, one for a maintenance detail and then one for an exterior service that is kind of a custom one that we're doing for a brand new Kia Telluride. And like usual, any of the products or tools will be linked down below. So the first vehicle that we're going to work on, we actually coated this and then we had to recoat the passenger side because it got in an accident. This is actually coated in G-Technic XO V4. So today's the maintenance wash. This one's pretty easy. The Kia Telluride has got some issues going on in the paint that we're going to show you. For a brand new Telluride, brand new vehicle, yeah, it's got some issues going on that we're going to address. So we'll show you when we get to that. Let's quickly get to this one, wash it, do the interior. Let's use some Chemi Nano Magic shampoo. Oh. Ah. This little pro blend thing is so cool. I love it. Maybe I will. They're like hard-shell tacos in here. You may close the hood, madam. Thank you.
What is your favorite ceramic? What is your favorite ceramic coating? Everybody has their likes and dislikes and their opinions. When it comes to cleaning door jambs, I have my own method and technique for cleaning door jambs. If you'd like a dedicated video for that, let me know down below.
So it looks like the coating is pretty flat, pretty dead, but I don't think so. It just has not been washed in a while, and there's traffic film buildup and junk like that. So the shampoo that we're using does clean, but it will leave its own protection behind. However, let's try something. I'm going to use the Chemi Active Foam first and do a traditional foam bath. Why? Because I want to see all the hydrophobics start to come back. I want to kind of pre-wash, pre-clean. I'm not using a super high alkaline APC for this. This is designed as a pre-wash or a snow foam. So let's use this first. Foamy woamy. I actually wanted a little thinner than this, but yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to play with the ratios and get it a little bit thinner. But this is going to clean traffic film and junk like that. Let's see how it reacts to the coating. Look, you can see it cleaning the tires. So it does have some cutting power. It has some really good cleaning power. All right, starting to dry, let's rinse her off. So it brought back a little bit of the beading, but I think it's still dirty. I think it's going to need a contact wash. Oh, the beading back here is better.
Now, sometimes ceramic coatings will clog up over time, and they just won't perform the way that you want them to. There's a lot of reasons why that happens. Most times, it's simply because the vehicle is neglected. Like was mentioned, this vehicle was not washed in 6 months. That's going to be a lot of buildup on the paint that's going to inhibit the hydrophobics. Is the coating still there? Yeah, it is. It's just not beating up like we want it to.
All right, now after the rinsing, we did the quick water spot removal. It did revive the coating, but there's still some spots towards the bottom that it looks still a little dead. It's just sheeting quickly, but I can feel the paint and it actually does feel a little gritty. Next time this comes in, I'm going to do the full decon bath on it, and we'll see how the coating does. But we just rinsed it down with DI water. We're in the full sun. It's not super hot out, but rinsing it with DI water does help minimize water spots and scaling and all of that. So it's a much safer wash. If you want to check out the video for that, check out owner card, and you'll see our setup for the hot water DI system. That can also be switched to cold water. So it can be either or. It works really nice.
Even after all of those deconning steps, sometimes the coating is just not performing well. Have you ever had that happen? Let me know down below. How did you handle that situation? What did you tell the customer? I'd love to know.
So I blew off the majority, and we are going to top it with the Beat It Up from 3D. So we'll use this as just a quick topper. Whoa, that was a big pine cone. This stuff smells like pina coladas. That is awesome. A little goes a long way with this stuff. And it plays well with water, so you can use it like a drying aid, or as some like to say, a drying lubricant. All right, the Audi is now done. It definitely took a hit. So we look back in the records, it was 6 months since we recoated this side here, and it wasn't washed since then. So it definitely has some buildup. The coating is still hanging on, it's definitely still there, but I think next time it comes in for its maintenance wash, we're gonna do a heavy decon wash. And I wish I had time to do it today, but I don't. I have to get started on the other job. So again, this one's still good. It's holding up. I did some water spot removal and it did revive the coating in spots. You can actually see this has really bad overspray from the job, the repaint job here. So yeah, unfortunately, can't do much about that. We'll see how long the coating will last. It definitely needs to be washed more often. Next time it comes in, we're going to do a proper decon wash and use the shampoos that we have here, either the CarPro Descale or the Restart Wash from Geon. We'll make a note of it next time it comes in. We have a few vehicles that need decon washes like that when they come in. So unfortunately, we're going to have to pull this one out and get started on the Kia.